You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly this word in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary like this that is confusing and often mispronounced, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to. Two different ways, I'm afraid, hence probably while you're here, of pronouncing it correctly in English. Two different pronunciations. Electrician, electrician. Stress on the tree syllable. Electrician. So you've noticed that this pronunciation starts with an e sound. It's also pronounced often, especially in the US, as electrician. Yes, an e sound. So, two different and correct pronunciations in English, how to pronounce electrician or electrician, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.